Hello everyone and welcome to Chetan Bharat Learning. Welcome to your this week's class of current affairs, and let's have a look at the various topics that we'll be covering today. First of all, we'll start with Sirish Bandla, who has become the second Indian woman to fly to space. And then we'll discuss Unity 22 mission in a bit detail. The next news that we'll be studying is about India's first plasma bank inaugurated by Delhi's CM. Then we'll look into the certification that was awarded by WHO, and China has been declared a malaria-free country. After that, we'll talk about Harit Dhara, which is an anti-methanogenic feed supplement made in India. How is it going to help reduce the production of methanogens in the ruminants? Methane gas production would be considerably reduced by consuming these feed supplements. So we'll discuss Harit Dhara in a bit detail. Then we'll talk about the discrete auroras that have been detected by HOPE spacecraft on Martian surface. So let's begin with the first news, that is about the Unity 22 mission. Unity 22 mission, along with which a crewed space flight including 6 crew members and the most important, an Indian astronaut Sirish Bandla, has gone into space on July 11th, the previous Sunday. So on this flight, and Sirish Bandla, who's the third Indian woman to that has gone to space, is a remarkable discovery for the whole space world. और इस न्यूज़ में हमें ध्यान क्या रखना है? The most important thing about this very news is that along with this flight, Virgin Galactic, the owner of Virgin Galactic, Branson, has also flown along with this flight. So इस flight में 6 crew members हैं, जिसमें खुद Branson है and 3 other members of the same Virgin Galactic and 2 other crew pilots. तो 22nd मिशन है ये USS यूनिटी का, और ये 4th crewed space flight है of Virgin Galactic. And this year another 2 crewed flights will be coming up this year also, so that to make the space travel easier and affordable for all. So Richard Branson का dream था ये, and it has come true, and what he wants is that he wants that space travel should be accessible for the other people also. So अगर हम बात करें Sirish Bandla की, so she is working as a Vice President of Government Affairs and Research Operation at Virgin Galactic. And she'll be conducting a few experiments aboard this space flight, जहाँ पर वो University of Florida के साथ collaborate करके she'll be conducting few experiments on plants as well. So Sirisha Bandla के बारे में आप याद रखेंगे, आप याद ये रखेंगे कि after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, she is the Indian born lady to go into space, and साथ ही साथ Richard Branson, जो कि first billionaire बन गए हैं to travel into space on his own space एयरक्राफ्ट, एंड ही हैज बीटन जेफ बेजोस, जिनकी फ्लाइट जुलाई 20th को है, उससे 9 days पहले ही हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट बिलियनियर टू गो टू स्पेस. राइट, तो छोटे छोटे फैक्ट्स हैं रिगार्डिंग दिस न्यूज. देन वील मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज.
हाय, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और आप पूरा का पूरा लेक्चर देखना चाहते हैं, देन प्लीज एनरोल इन आवर करंट अफेयर्स कोर्स. हमारे करंट अफेयर्स कोर्स में आपको फुल वीडियो लेक्चर, उसके साथ की पीडीएफ और वीकली टेस्ट भी मिलेंगे, जो आपके प्रीलिम्स और मेंस दोनों की प्रैक्टिस करवा देंगे. कोर्स की जानकारी के लिए यू कैन विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.chetanbharat.com या नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करके सारी डिटेल्स मांग लीजिए. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.